How to check who is monitoring your WhatsApp chats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check who is monitoring your WhatsApp chats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, your WhatsApp may be encrypted or with a lot of security features. It can get breached. So many people out there can just monitor your WhatsApp chats. So this is how you can know if someone is doing that. So the first thing we'll do is open up our WhatsApp and check if someone is using your WhatsApp web. For that, you will need to head over to your settings. After you're on your WhatsApp's setting, you will see linked devices. Head over to linked devices and there you should see all the devices that are linked. Now, if you're logged into your WhatsApp web or someone else is logged into your WhatsApp web, you should be able to find them right here. And you will also be able to disconnect from them. So if you find any suspicious apps, suspicious devices right here, you can unlink from them and log out from that very device. So that is the first thing you can do, and that is the first thing you can check. After that, what you can do is if you have any suspicious apps on your phone. Now, there are a lot of apps available out there from which people can spy. There are a lot of spywares. So check if there is any apps or any things that you did not download or you don't usually use, but is just out there. Now, you can also know if someone is monitoring your chats when there are messages in your WhatsApp which have been seen but you did not actually open them, or there are texts that have been sent and you did not actually send them. So that is someone just using your account without your permission. So you can find that out again from the linked devices section if they're using your account from somewhere else. So you can check that out and then you can simply remove them from there. You can also enable different type of authorizations in your WhatsApp, so you can check that out and strengthen your WhatsApp. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And